FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Real quick video for you. We are in the New York session right now. Just started the session. It's Monday the 17th. And here is how our four pairs are doing so far. There are going to be times that I keep saying that you shouldn't be trading the market, right? There's going to be times where things just don't look attractive to trade. So pound USD, one of the pairs that we're looking at, of course, as you can see, doing absolutely nothing, looking like complete trash right now. All right, so obviously nothing at all here is telling me I want to trade this or I'm waiting for something to happen. All right, so for me, nothing at all here is tradable. Now we go to the next one, pound JPY. Same thing. There's nothing here that I'm looking at that tells me, hey, we have a potential for a trade setup. There's nothing here at all that I want to trade. All right. We also have enough for a full cycle here. So we're actually looking to see if price is going to break below 196.00. And then that'll give us a clue of a new peak formation high and then going from there. But right now, there is nothing there to trade. The only possible thing that I could think of that could result in a good trade would be if we get an aggressive move back up to the 50 and then start to sell off from there. That would be a continuation trade. If it doesn't do that, then it's not something that I'm willing to trade. We just talked about this in the previous video about how the 50 EMA is pushing price down. This is exactly what's happening again here, but this time on pound JPY, not NAS 100. Okay, so unless we get a push up here, a real aggressive push by, like, let's say 9:30 or so, and then get some kind of a continuation to go down, that is the only possible thing that I'm thinking about right now. Other than that, there's nothing else that could possibly convince me. Gold is basically waiting for either a peak formation high to form here. We've had a pretty damn good run on gold, right? We had two big retracements. Now we're just waiting whether or not we actually break below 28.80 or not. If we're going to break below 28.80, that'll be a brand new peak formation high, and then we'd be looking for short-term sells, right? But look at the price action right now on gold. It's just consolidating. It's not doing anything. So why would I want to put myself, why would I want to put any risk or any money into markets that look like this? Finally, NAS 100. We just talked about NAS 100 in the last video. Here, we've had a huge run on NAS 100 coming off that peak formation low. We're actually looking for peak formation high. We're already at all-time highs, right? So we're looking for peak formation high to form, but we don't have any evidence of that yet forming. And in order for that to form, we need to be trading at least below 22,000. And we're not even anywhere close to that. And again, same thing. We're just accumulating. We're not doing anything right now. So why try to trade something that looks like this? So understand that sometimes it's just not the day to trade. And you're better off just not trading, sitting out, enjoying the day, and then coming back the next day to see what's out there, what's moved, how the market's moved, whether you created a new peak formation or whatever the case may be on your pair. But knowing when to sit out and when to be in are very important factors that you need to master as a trader. Quick video, guys. I hope you found some value in this video. If you need more help, of course, join us on the Discord group. Links are in the description. If you need help with peak formations, knowing when to trade and all that good stuff, join us on FXN Plus. Also, links in the description. Until next time, guys, have a good one.